Dude, your boy's tired. Dude, your boy's tired. All right, so it's about 6:30 a.m. I got all my stuff down here. Little hack for you guys. Prep your meals. Makes a big difference. I got lunch and breakfast in here. Got some caffeine. I have coffee that I'm going to grab out the fridge. And yeah, fill up my water bottle. I have to head to the gym this morning. I have to do it. You make these packs with yourself and you just gotta get after it. But we're actually running behind. It's currently 6:40. We have about an hour, 20-minute drive to Westerville, which is where Grand Camp is being held. So I'm gonna pick it up. Might not feel much of the gym because I am running fast on time. So no better feeling than beating the sun up in the morning. I'm cold. I'm so cold. It's like 20 degrees out. But we got everything packed up, headed to the gym. Time to runny run. Looks like our favorite treadmill's taken, so we're gonna take a different one today. But that's all right. Something a little bit different. I usually just do 3 miles in here. I'm gonna stop now because I'm in the locker room. I'm cold again. Wrapped up at the gym. We're headed to Grand Camp now. It's gonna be a fun day. I'm excited to lift Jeremy up and just meet all the awesome campers. Brian's gonna be there. We're gonna get him on camera. Good to see Izzy. I'm gonna be a little bit late to the setup, so I'll be there like right at 8:30. Starts at 9, so hopefully get some finishing touches in place for the music and the photo studio and all the cool stuff. We're gonna get a lot of footage today. It's gonna be an awesome day. And something I want to talk to is just like how much getting on camera and like showing behind the scenes stuff like actually can either pick up your mood or it can be a force driver for negative results. So I got up this morning, like there's so many little things in my day that I'm just insecure about, and this is what getting out there, especially on LinkedIn and stuff like that, has showed me, is that there's so many small things during the day that I'm like, man, like I'm glad nobody's seeing that, and I feel like we're all a little bit, whether it's we eat something we're not proud of or just the way we look doing certain things, different angles, like all that is like out there, you know? And God, like it gives me a lot of empathy for people that do this for a living because it is not easy. But you'll find you get some energy from doing it as well. If you stay consistent with it, you just got to get over that hard point in the beginning. And I'm learning this as well, so I'll be sharing it more, as I go throughout the day. But there's just no excuse not to get out there and share your journey, I think. And it's hard. It's always hard, but it's always worth it. So we'll pick it up. I need to stop videoing and driving, but we'll pick it up when I'm closer to Grand Camp. God almighty.
For like 30 seconds, I was late. I was like, yeah, I don't have time.
Okay, so we're all set up inside. We have the photo booth getting ready right here, the equipment. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this wall right here because we're having a little bit of trouble setting up and finding outlets. But this is gonna be for the headshot. So campers are gonna go in, do their thing in the mornings, and then we'll have an intermission around an hour in after we do brand stories and Jeremy does the intro and stuff like that. And they're gonna come to Andy to get their headshots done. So I'm super excited about that. Getting the softbox is set up for the photos and then the gimbal and everything, but I'm gonna set that up right now.
Okay. And I love how simple that one piece is.
So, talk about the numbers game. What is it?
I'm about to.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Well, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's good.
Okay, guys. Is everybody ready? We can start again. I know y'all got stuff to do.
Hi, Izzy.
Hi!
How was Brand Camp 2024?
Brand Camp 2024 was awesome. We worked with the Columbus Chamber through Urban Business Connection, and the campers were so excited and so energized to hear their brand anthems, and hopefully they got a lot of clarity on their business today. So it was really cool to witness.
Awesome. All right, so we just finished up at Brand Camp. We have a call with Tyler here at 12:30. It's about 12:15. So I'm gonna head over to Rebel and shoot up a link to send to him, and we're gonna touch base. But we got plenty of the caffeine. Awesome experience. I got to see Brian a little bit, and yeah, that was awesome. So we're gonna head out, get some more caffeine, and it's gonna be an awesome day. Really? Is it like that for everyone on the team, or just you? Using like the tooltips to go in, especially if you have like people on different pages in the same file, it can be real rough go. But yeah, I mean that's what it's. I will pull up right now, screen share. Is the agenda I had written out, everything we updated. This is what I sent you, I think it was about a month ago, or a couple weeks ago. Everything that we've done so far, just in terms of updates and getting into the pages, recapping, solving all the revisions and so forth. So we updated these newsletter sections right here. So these are updated, and they'll look like, and it looks pretty nice from the page too, so they'll populate in there. Everything's formatted correctly, has Inga's name below there, and the call to action will also be the same too beneath each one, so it kind of customizes all the tailors all the pages. All right, so we just finished up the call with the Union County. Have our monthly strategy call. Me, Inga, and Corey. Just every month. I'm in a good mood now because we're here at Rebel and Longshore Street in Dublin near Bridge Park. I'm very hungry, so I'm going to dive into lunch now. But as we're waiting for Tobias to get here, he's going to get here at 3:30, so we got about 30 minutes to eat lunch. It's about 3 o'clock right now. But yeah, that was a great meeting with Union County. Really just dove through all the updates that we made on the site throughout the month, talked about some of the analytics, and we're going to send a follow-up later with some of the more detailed reporting they can send to the county board. We're going to head into lunch now and do some research on Tobias before he gets here, and yeah, looking forward to it. But the goal for today is we have 2 projects we're working on. We're doing a slide deck concept design for Bexley Venture Capital. I'll throw a visual from that up on the screen, but they really like the content of that slide deck they're sending out to venture capitalists for presentations for ag and food tech. They really like the direction with that, so we just got to change up some of the light mode elements, because I didn't realize that I went for a really sleek sort of dark mode design, which they loved, but they said they're going to print it out, so they kind of want to invert the colors and keep some of the green themes to match the ag and food tech sort of theme they have while keeping it modern. So I'm going to send an update to Richard about that. We're meeting Nick Rothbust tomorrow to present the HDH inspection site. This was a super quick test project I kind of used to learn how to use Wix Studio. So I'll throw up a visual for that up on the screen, but I'm super excited to share that. I'm super excited to share that one as well. And I learned a lot about Wix Studio during the development of that one, but it was a fun project, and I'm excited to share the visuals. Only like 3 pages or something, but I'm in a much better mood now because I was freezing over there by the window, but we got the fire now, so I'm feeling nice and toasty. And yeah, it's time to dive into work, and I'll touch base ASAP. Well, when Tobias gets here. All right, so we're all finished up at Rebel. All the meetings are finished. Getting ready to head back home. It's about 5:30 now. Cracking me the caffeine. I'm surviving, feeling better, but it's really good to be back here in Dublin again. I haven't been here on Bridge Park for a while. It's so beautiful here, but it's actually not that terrible of a night. But really nice sunset going on here. Yeah, I really love this area. I used to come here pretty much every night when I lived in Marysville, but we're in Springfield now. So gonna head to Kroger, get something to eat with a pre-workout meal, and then head home. So I'll pick you up, or we're gonna head to the gym. So I'll pick you up when we get back there. But time go gym. Also, I've been listening to this Creator Science podcast episode today on the drives and between commutes and stuff. By Jay Klaus and Natasha Willis, and it's all about conversational marketing, like Instagram DMs that you send to people through like low friction opt-ins. It's actually really interesting, so I'll link that kind of in the video description and stuff below, because one day I'm going to interview Jay Klaus, and I think that's a really interesting topic to kind of bring up and shoehorn in, so I'm excited to keep pulling on that thread. But that was the soundtrack for today. It's really interesting. So yeah, gym time. All right, all wrapped up. Take 2 for the day. It's almost 8:45. Gonna head home. Katie actually had her thesis presentation tonight at UD. I couldn't make it, but I'm gonna give her a call while we make dinner and get to polishing up the slide deck and the website I was talking about over at Rebel. So see you guys when we get home. Take a quick shower, make dinner, call Katie, and see you then. Alright, we're settling at the house, getting ready to head upstairs and shower and shave and go to bed. Oh, and how was your day today?
It's good. Another day.
Another day, another dollar.
Yeah.
She's looking awful cute over there. Dude, you're actually like looking more swole. Low-key.
Yeah, I've kind of started to refocus on eating.
Alright, so we're upstairs, all showered up, getting ready to eat dinner. I have a few odds and ends I need to check in on. Got the laptop fired up, got my big ass salad I'm getting ready to crush because I'm starving. But we're all showered up, I feel a lot better. I'm gonna ride this little last wave of energy I got here, and I have to fix up Nick's site a little bit, finish up the slide deck for Rick, Richard, whichever one. I hope he's watching this, that would be funny. But yeah, I'm gonna tower up those things and I'll check in afterwards. It's about, 9:30 now? So I got a couple hours for bed, so I'll touch in a few. Peace. So it's about 11. Going to wrap her up for the day. Got a lot done. I'm getting ready I have to be in Marysville at 10 a.m. tomorrow to meet Nick and show him the HDH site, which is what's here in the background. I'll scroll through the wireframe of that, but it's just a super quick 3-page site. I've been using a Wix Studio for the first time and using this project as kind of a learning resource for learning the platform, and I've been really enjoying learning responsive design in Wix Studio. It's been kind of tough at first. I definitely messed up a little bit with the typography and stuff, but tomorrow we are going to Marysville to meet Nick, show him this wireframe, get his approval on the design and feedback, and maybe even get it launched. We'll see. But that's in Marysville. A couple of calls tomorrow, one-on-one with Nikki and Tony, so the boating company is in Florida, for their Shopify commerce store, and then I have the AMA event in Columbus tomorrow night at 5. That's at Ohio State Cohatch. So that'll be really fun. I'm excited to share that, but I have got to get to bed. I've got to get to bed. It's been a really long day, a lot of travel, but always doing projects, always having stuff on the agenda. So I appreciate you guys tagging along today through brand camp, through all the meetings and everything. And it's just another day in the life of building the design business. Day, I don't know how many at this point, of infinity for the rest of my life. And thank you guys for following along today. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.